So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get PS Plus for free. This is going to save you a bunch of money because, yeah, this is not cheap, guys. You can see a 12-month subscription for PS Plus Premium costs around $150 US. And I'm going to show you today, guys, a method of getting free PS Plus Premium for completely free, of course. And it literally takes about 5 to 10 minutes. I've managed to find a awesome rewards website, probably the most simple rewards website that you're going to find, and it will only take you about 5 to 10 minutes, like I said, to get yourself a free subscription for PS Plus. So you need to use a mobile. Very important, you do use a mobile, and you'll see in a few seconds why. And you have to go to the following website on your mobile: www.wavyrewards.com. So Wavy Rewards. This is a brand new rewards website that I discovered, and it is by far the easiest and most rewarding one, guys. So you can see it says claim your reward. Funny little money guy at the top there. That's how you know you got to the right website. It says here, receive a reward by completing quick, easy and fun tasks. And there is a 3-step guide here telling you how to unlock your reward. It says click the button to see your selection of tasks. So you can see there is a button here. You've got to go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see a list of tasks, and you need to choose and complete 2 tasks, making sure you follow the instructions. So these tasks can be like downloading mobile games and playing them until certain levels, or answering questions in surveys. You have to just make sure you follow the instructions and ensure you do fully complete 2 of them, and then it's going to allow you to choose and claim any reward you want. So I'm going to skip forward just so this video isn't too long, but once you click this button and fully complete 2 of the tasks that you see, you're then going to come across this page once you've done that, and you can select any rewards. You can see there's tons of games, there's mobile games, there's resources, gift card codes, and in this case, guys, you need to search for the PlayStation gift cards and coupons page. So you can go to the search bar at the top if you need to, or scroll down. Just navigate your way to the PSN gift cards page, and you can get a free 12-month PS Plus membership. And if you followed the instructions on Wavy Rewards, this code will be fully revealed. Obviously, I just skipped forward the steps. That's why it's still protected. But basically, guys, follow the instructions on Wavy Rewards, complete 2 tasks, and this PS Plus membership code is going to be completely revealed, and you can redeem it on your PlayStation for a free subscription. So that is it, guys. Head on over to wavyrewards.com. Follow these instructions on here, and ensure you do smash that like button. And yeah, many of you commented last time that, yeah, you just had to make sure you fully completed 2 tasks, and then you went ahead and got to your free PS Plus.